Hey there, I'm Christian from Racknerd and welcome to Racknerd TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the process of installing and using Skreen on your Alma Linux OS. Keep in mind that this also works for Rocky Linux. So if you're a systems administrator or someone managing websites, this is going to be incredibly useful for you. Before we begin, let's talk a little bit about what Skreen is. Skreen is a terminal multiplexer that allows you to manage multiple sessions within a single terminal window. This is particularly beneficial when you're working on long-run tasks like installing software or running scripts. You can easily detach from a session and reattach to it later, without any interruption in the process. For systems administrators, this tool is invaluable when managing remote servers like your Linux VPS hosting. So why should you use Skreen? Well, using Skreen ensures that your processes continue running even if you disconnect from your SSH session. This is crucial for maintaining the uptime and smooth operation of your websites or service hosting on your VPS. Plus, it simplifies multitasking by allowing you to have multiple sessions open at once. Now, before we dive into our tutorial, if you haven't already set up your VPS hosting with Alma Linux, make sure to check out our recent video here on the channel, How to Order a VPS Hosting with Racknerd. It is a straightforward guide that'll get you up and running in no time. Now let me go ahead and share my screen, and let's get started with that step-by-step tutorial on installing and using Skreen on your Alma Linux or Rocky Linux VPS hosting. To get started with installing and using Skreen on Alma Linux, first open your terminal and update your package list by running this command: dnf update-y. Once your system is updated, we need to install the EPEL repository, as Alma Linux doesn't have Skreen available by default. So we just need to run dnf install epel-release-y. Once the EPEL repository is ready, you can now install Skreen by running dnf install Skreen-y. After the installation is complete, verify it by checking the version by running this command: Skreen-version. Now, to begin using Skreen, start a new session by simply running Skreen as your command. You'll be greeted with a welcome message, and you can press enter to proceed. If you ever need to detach from the session while keeping your process running, press Ctrl+A followed by D on your keyboard. When you're ready to reattach to your session, type and run Skreen-R. If you have multiple sessions running, you can list them using Skreen-ls. And to close a session, simply type exit and then press enter on your keyboard. This simple tool will help you manage multiple terminal sessions effortlessly, especially useful for running long tasks and remote server management. And that's really all there is to it. You have successfully installed and started using Skreen on Alma Linux. It is a simple yet incredibly powerful tool that is going to make your life a whole lot easier, especially when managing your hosting environments. And if you are new to this or need more assistance, visit Racknerd.com for your hosting solutions that suit your needs, and chat with our customer support for any questions you have along the way. We also have a bunch of other guides on our YouTube channel that you might find helpful. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care.